Installation and operation of high vacuum arc melting furnace. Vacuum pump oil filling. Unscrew the cap. Add the oil provided. Observe the oil level line. This is the minimum amount of oil. This is the maximum amount of oil. Generally, just add the highest amount of oil. After adding oil, tighten the cap. Connect the vacuum pump bellows. Tighten the clamp. Unscrew the water injection port of the water cooler. Add appropriate amount of water to the water injection port. Watch the water level. Green is medium water level. Yellow means it's full. Generally added to the junction of green and yellow. After adding water, tighten the lid. This is the water outlet of the water cooler. This is the water inlet of the water cooler. The water outlet of the water cooler is connected to the water inlet of the equipment. The water inlet of the water cooler is connected to the water outlet of the equipment. Connect air compressor air pipe. Turn on the air compressor switch. Open air compressor valve. Connect the vacuum pump to the power supply. Connect the water cooler power supply. Connect the air compressor power supply. After the power cord is connected, turn on the main power switch. Turn on the vacuum pump. Turn on the water cooler power. Power on the device. Molecular pump power supply. Vacuum gauge power supply. Click Ignore. Click to enter the operation interface. Unscrew the buckle. Open cavity. Place sample. Close the cavity. Tighten the buckle. Lift the tab upwards. Rotate to open the suction valve. Put down the tablet. Turn on the vacuum pump. Observe the vacuum value changes. When the vacuum value is below 20%, click to open the molecular pump. The molecular pump frequency will drop from 400 to 0. Then it rises from 0 to 400 and runs stably. When the molecular pump is running stably, the vacuum value meets the process requirements. Click to open cleaning mode. Click OK. Open the gas valve and let in gas. Clean for about 5分钟 use. After cleaning is completed, close the gas valve. Then click on Open Work Mode. Open the gas valve again and let in gas. Observe the changes in the pressure gauge. After adjusting to the appropriate pressure according to the process, close the gas valve. Lift the control lever and adjust the needle to the appropriate height. Adjusting. Open the welding cabinet door. The current value is displayed here. Rotate the knob to adjust the current. Observe the current changes and adjust to the appropriate size. Lift the lever up to start working. At work. After smelting is completed, open the suction casting valve. After the suction casting is completed, click Close. Return the current to its original position. Then turn off the molecular pump. When the molecular pump frequency drops to the N, click to pick up samples. Click OK. When the vacuum value reaches the normal atmospheric pressure, unscrew the buckle. Open cavity. Remove the sample. The following basic operations are added. Move this position left or right. The tungsten needle can be moved to other crucible positions. This stirring rod is retractable, rotating movement for stirring. The experiment is completed.